Hello everyone, I'm so glad you're here with us today. Today we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked but absolutely essential, your colon. It's something most of us don't think about until there's a problem, but it quietly works behind the scenes every single day. Your colon is the foundation of your health, much like the base of a house. Just as a strong foundation keeps a home standing tall, a healthy colon supports your entire body's well-being. If it's not strong and clean, your whole body can feel the effects. You might notice discomfort, fatigue, or even changes in your mood and focus. A healthy colon supports digestion, energy, and even your mood. When your digestive system is working well, you feel lighter, more energetic, and ready to take on the day. Think of your digestive system as your body's waste management team, with the colon as the final processing plant. It's responsible for sorting, absorbing, and eliminating what your body doesn't need. Its job? Remove waste and toxins efficiently. When it's working well, your body can focus on healing, growing, and thriving. But when it's sluggish, toxins linger, making you feel bloated, tired, and off balance. Over time, this can even impact your immune system and skin health. Supporting your colon doesn't require extreme measures. Nature offers simple solutions. Small changes, like adding more fiber, drinking water, and eating whole foods, can make a big difference. Today we'll explore a natural, easy way to help your colon work better. You don't need fancy supplements or harsh cleanses, just a few mindful habits. This is about empowering you with knowledge and practical tools. When you understand how your body works, you can make choices that support your long-term health. By understanding your body, you can take charge of your health. You'll be able to notice early signs when something's off and respond with confidence. We'll uncover what the colon does, why it matters, and how a simple drink can help you feel lighter and more energetic. You'll learn how to support your gut naturally every single day. This isn't a quick fix, it's about building a foundation for long-term wellness. Healthy habits add up over time, creating lasting change. Listen to your body's signals and respond with care. Your body is always communicating with you, and tuning in is the first step to better health. Are you ready to support your health from the inside out? It all starts with understanding and caring for your colon. Let's get started on the path to a happier, healthier gut. Together we'll take simple steps that can transform how you feel every day. Your journey to better health begins now. Let's take that first step together and discover the power of a healthy colon. Let's take a closer look at your colon, the large intestine. This remarkable organ is often overlooked, but it plays a vital role in your digestive health and overall well-being. While you may not think about it every day, your colon is constantly at work, quietly supporting your body in ways you might not realize. It's the last stop for food before waste leaves your body. After your stomach and small intestine have done their jobs, the colon takes over, managing everything that remains. After nutrients are absorbed, the colon handles what's left, mostly water, fiber, and indigestible matter. It's like your body's recycling center, sorting through leftovers and making sure nothing useful goes to waste. Its main jobs: absorb water and electrolytes and form and store stool. This process helps keep you hydrated and ensures your body maintains the right balance of minerals. The colon's muscular walls move waste along in a coordinated process called peristalsis. These rhythmic contractions push material forward, making sure everything keeps moving smoothly. But there's more. Your colon is home to trillions of helpful bacteria, your gut microbiome. This community of microbes is as unique as your fingerprint and is essential for your health. These bacteria break down fiber, produce vitamins, and protect you from harmful invaders. They help digest foods your body can't handle alone, and even create important nutrients like vitamin K and some B vitamins. A balanced microbiome is crucial for immunity and overall health. When your gut bacteria are thriving, your immune system is stronger, and your body is better protected from illness. When your colon is sluggish, waste builds up, causing bloating and discomfort. You might feel tired, heavy, or just not quite yourself. Disrupted microbiome balance can affect your immune system and nutrient absorption. It can even influence your mood and energy levels, showing just how connected your gut is to your whole body. Supporting your colon means supporting hydration, nourishment, and protection. Simple choices like drinking water, eating fiber-rich foods, and staying active can make a big difference. It's one of your body's hardest working yet most overlooked heroes. Every day it quietly keeps you healthy and energized. Take care of it, and it will take care of you. A healthy colon means a happier, more comfortable you. Now let's see how you can help your colon thrive. With just a few simple habits, you can support your digestive system every day. Ready for a simple solution? Let's explore an easy way to give your colon the care it deserves. So how can you help your colon? Meet the Sunrise Cleanser. This gentle natural drink is designed to support your colon's natural cleansing. It hydrates, stimulates gentle movement, and provides nutrients your gut loves. Think of it as a morning ritual, a gentle internal shower for your colon. Over time, stress and poor habits can slow your colon down. The Sunrise Cleanser helps flush things out, softens stool and soothes your digestive tract. Its power lies in simplicity and natural ingredients. No expensive products needed. This is about returning to basics and using nature's wisdom. The Sunrise Cleanser is more than a drink. It's a commitment to a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's break down what makes this drink so effective. Ready to discover the ingredients? The Sunrise Cleanser has 4 key ingredients, each a digestive powerhouse. First, warm water, soothing and gentle, it relaxes your colon and encourages movement. Next, freshly squeezed lemon juice, packed with vitamin C and natural cleansing power. Lemon's citric acid acts as a gentle laxative and helps flush out toxins. Third, a pinch of cayenne pepper. Its capsaicin boosts digestive fluids and stimulates peristalsis. Cayenne gives your system a gentle nudge to get moving. Finally, raw, unfiltered honey. It adds sweetness, supports healthy gut bacteria, and acts as a mild laxative. Together, these ingredients hydrate, stimulate, and soothe your digestive system. The result? A synergistic blend that's easy to make and powerful for your gut. Now let's make the Sunrise Cleanser together. Grab your ingredients and let's get started. You'll see just how simple it is. Ready for the recipe? Let's make the Sunrise Cleanser. It's quick and easy. Heat 8-10 ounces of water until warm, not boiling. Pour it into your favorite mug. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Fresh lemons are best for flavor and enzymes. Add a small pinch of cayenne pepper, just enough for gentle warmth. Stir well to dissolve. Add 1 teaspoon of raw, unfiltered honey. Stir until the honey is fully dissolved. That's it, your Sunrise Cleanser is ready. This simple ritual takes less than 2 minutes. It's a powerful way to start your day and support your colon. Enjoy your drink and notice how you feel. Small steps like this can make a big difference. Ready to see the benefits? What benefits can you expect from the Sunrise Cleanser? First, improved digestion, more regular, comfortable bowel movements, and less bloating. You'll feel lighter and less sluggish as your body eliminates waste efficiently. Many people notice a boost in energy since your body isn't weighed down by toxins. A clean colon absorbs nutrients and water better, fueling your day. Your skin may also improve, becoming clearer and brighter as toxins are eliminated properly. There's even a gut-brain connection. Better digestion can mean a better mood and sharper mind. Starting your day with this healthy ritual can reduce stress and set a positive tone. The ripple effect touches every aspect of your life. It's not just about your gut, it's about your whole well-being. Ready to supercharge your cleanse with healthy habits? Let's see how to make your results last. Small changes, big impact. Let's keep going. The Sunrise Cleanser is powerful, but it works best with healthy habits. True wellness comes from a holistic approach. Hydration is key. Drink water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Dehydration can slow your colon and cause constipation. Next, fiber, your colon's best friend. Eat a variety of plant-based foods for both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber softens stool. Insoluble fiber adds bulk and speeds things along. Regular movement is essential. Exercise stimulates your intestines and keeps things moving. Even a brisk walk or some yoga can make a big difference. Combine the Sunrise Cleanser with water, fiber, and activity for a powerful synergy. These habits create a strong foundation for long-term colon health. Make them part of your daily routine. Your gut will thank you. Ready to make colon care a habit? Let's talk about integrating it into your life. Colon cleansing works best as a gentle, consistent habit, not a quick fix. The Sunrise Cleanser is a daily or weekly ritual, not a drastic purge. Think of it like brushing your teeth. Regular care keeps things running smoothly. Some people drink it every day, others a few times a week. Listen to your body. Consistency is key. This gentle approach avoids the risks of harsh cleanses, which can disrupt your gut microbiome. The Sunrise Cleanser works with your body, not against it. Combine it with whole foods, exercise, and hydration for a comprehensive wellness plan. Managing stress also supports your digestion. Caring for your colon is part of a holistic lifestyle. Small, steady steps lead to lasting results. Make colon care a mindful, regular part of your routine. Your body will reward you. Let's wrap up with a final word of encouragement. Today you've learned why colon health is so important, not just for digestion, but for your overall well-being. A healthy colon supports your immune system, helps your body absorb nutrients, and even influences your mood and energy levels. And the best part? Supporting your colon can be simple and enjoyable, fitting easily into your daily routine. The Sunrise Cleanser is a simple, natural tool you can make at home, using ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Its benefits ripple through your digestion, helping you feel lighter, more comfortable, and more energized throughout the day. You may notice improvements in your energy, your skin's natural glow, and even your mood as your gut health improves. Remember, the Sunrise Cleanser works best as part of a healthy lifestyle, so keep up with hydration, eat plenty of fiber-rich foods, and make time for regular movement, whether it's a walk, a stretch, or your favorite workout. Start small, try the Sunrise Cleanser for a week, jot down how you feel, and notice the positive changes in your body and mind. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Everyone's journey is unique, so be patient and gentle with yourself. You have the power to take charge of your health with gentle, consistent steps. Every small choice adds up over time. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better colon health. Your commitment to learning and self-care is inspiring. Taking care of your gut is an act of self-love and respect for your body's hard work every day. Your body works hard for you. Support it with mindful habits, nourishing foods, and moments of gratitude. Mix up a glass, toast to your health, and enjoy feeling lighter, brighter, and more vibrant each day. Here's to a healthier, happier you, starting from the inside out. Be well, and remember, every step you take is a step toward a better you.